Deleted a message by accident? You have 30 days to get it back, and most people have no idea this exists. Open the Messages app. On the main screen where you see your conversation list, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right. Tap Recently Deleted. This opens a folder of messages and conversations you deleted in the last 30 days. Now, let's recover what you're looking for. Select the conversation or messages you want back. Tap Recover. Confirm recovery. The messages will return to your main inbox as if they were never deleted. A few things worth knowing about this feature. Messages only stay in recently deleted for 30 days. After that, they're gone permanently with no way to get them back. This feature works for SMS and iMessages on supported iPhone software. If you delete a message before this feature is available on your iPhone, it won't be there. And if you delete a message from the recently deleted folder itself, that's final. There's no second recovery. And if the message is older than 30 days, here's one more option. If the message is gone from recently deleted, the only other option is restoring an older iPhone backup, but that replaces everything on your phone with the backup version, which means losing anything you've done since. It's a significant step, and usually only worth it for something genuinely important. Use a third-party tool like iMessages if you want to extract just the messages from a backup without doing a full restore. The recently deleted folder is worth checking immediately if you just deleted something by accident. The sooner the better. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.